You want the money? And that's another one.
Okay. Okay.
Right?
Take off, man.
That wheelie therapy though. Got a little fucking high.
Yeah. All right here. Oh.
That thing, ain't you?
That's cool.
I love the way it sounds.
Yeah.
It sounds mean as shit.
It does.
It's got some power for a cruiser.
Yeah, it does.
It's trying to keep up.
So I came up to the DMV, and guess what? Your boy forgot to sign the no, I signed the title. I forgot to date the title. You know what that means? They flip shit, and they're like, oh my god, it's not dated. Oh no. I'm like, bitch, the inspection's dated. I literally just got it. Oh, but you could be lying. You could have had this like 5 months ago, and we could be charging you, penalizing the title, because that'd be money for us. I looked her dead in her opticals and I said, bitch.
I looked this woman in her optic scams and I says,
You said that?
ain't nothing but a thing.
But you said bitch, though.
Yep.
Man, once my baby mama finds out I got a new bike, shit. That's not good, bruh. Fuck, when she finds out, bruh, I'm gonna be probably in a heap of trouble. Heap of trouble. Oh well. Fuck it. Let's get it, let's go. You recording, fucker? Yeah? You recording? Alright, let's do this. We got poop. Look at that sexy man. I'm staring in the man, the fat cat in the mirror. Let's hear what this motherfucker sounds like on the freeway. Just getting it. That's what I want to hear. I want to feel how comfortable it is on a freeway compared to a sports bike. Well, it leans like, I don't know, it seems more comfortable leaning than the Suzuki. It's weird. I just would never have guessed that the bike lean on a cruiser feels more secure than my sports bike. Alright, here we go. my people. So does that mean all motorcycle sounds are fucking calling my people? Yeah, pretty much. Besides mopeds. But I have came up with a name for this. It is a female. And her name is Debbie, because she's a big bitch. Debbie! You a big bitch, Debbie. Wow! You a big bitch, Debbie. Yeah, it sounds like it's mobbing out, but it really ain't going nowhere. But, anyways. I mean, I like it. I can't wait. I'm like learning it and stuff and how it feels and all that. And give me a passenger on here to see how I like that, which I'll probably like a lot better. It still has a few things I like to fix or change on it. I like the bagger look, to be honest with you. I just wanted a cruiser. It didn't matter if it was a bagger or not, but I like it. So how I acquired this bike, because some people are going to wonder how. I sold my other vehicle I had, so you won't be seeing that in my driveway anymore or in the videos or anything else. The one that got stolen, it was actually in the process of being sold. But I sold it because I was trying to trade it. This is what I wanted to trade it for. So I sold it, I got the money, and I got this. So yeah, basically, before baby mamas or anybody wants to, you know, because YouTube sure don't pay me, I'll tell you that. If YouTube paid me, shit, I'd probably pay for child support more often than I am. Ha 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 ha, that was my baby mom.